Welcome, my phone is a HUAWEI P40 and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording option. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel like so, and you'll have the screen recording toggle right here. So before you tap on it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings hopefully. Or at least it looks like there is no settings for it on this device, so I guess we can just simply tap on it. Now, because I'm launching this for the first time, it requires access to storage, photos and media, so it actually has somewhere to save the files, and also to the screen, so it can record screen and the audio. And let's just tap on OK. It gives you a couple options right here. So you have the microphones, you can toggle it on or off, and the time it's recording. So this is just a image that you can see, so you can basically know how it works and what you can toggle here. Once you tap on Got It, it automatically starts recording along with the mic, as you can see right here, because it's not turned off. Now it's basically off. And whatever I do now will be recorded, as long also wherever I'm touching. You can see this white dragging thing barely, because it's keeping up under my finger fairly well, but when I'm moving it really quickly, you can see that I'm basically tracing after my finger. That is so you know on the recording where you were touching on the finger, or on the screen I meant. And once you're done with the recording, you can just stop right here. Recording saved to gallery, so let's open up the gallery. And in here it just popped up. So you have the video, for instance, right here. You can tap on it, and let me mute it so it doesn't actually so you can't hear me. And once you start playing it, just give it a moment. I took a little bit longer to actually start tapping on the screen, so you can see. There we go. And there we go. You can now see the recording and what I was doing. So with that, you can also open up apps, and all of that will be recorded unless an app will not allow it. There are certain apps, for instance, like Netflix, that specifically block this feature, and if you try to record it, you will basically just have a black screen. But yeah, that is basically how you would record this. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.